Hi everyone, this is Crafty Haul, and I have a huge haul in front of me, so let's go ahead and get into it. So first is the quarterly release from Not Too Shabby Shop. Because it's quarterly, I haven't felt too much pressure to get started working on some stuff from it. I've just been really busy, but hopefully I'll be able to have a little bit of time. The school's almost over, so that's good. And I've got a little bit of time, so maybe I'll get working on some of this stuff. But here is the stamp set. It's called Tropical Leaves. And then let's see what other parts are from the release. So I think this is this strawberry stamp set. Let's see. I should have put this all in some sort of an order, you know, but I did not. We have the tropical stencil, leaf stencil. We have this poolside paper. I didn't buy the entire release. I probably will eventually get it all, but I didn't at this time. I've got the die set along with this stamp set, which is called Beachfront Cafe, which I think is just adorable. And then I've got this one right here, which is the Summer Fun along with the die. See, I got a lot of stuff here. And then we have this, which is, I'm trying to think what this, maybe this is the Tropical Leaves one. Yeah, this is the Tropical Leaves die. So I did get the die for that. Okay, so some other things from the Not Too Shabby Shop, which is some box add-ons. First is the Strawberry Doodle background. The other is a second ephemera for the strawberries. I think is adorable. I got the only one of the dies. I got the one that goes with the strawberries. That's in the kit for the month. This was my free gift. Some other items that I bought from the Not Too Shabby Shop includes this stencil that goes with this Pink and Main embossing folder and dies. So they have this in the shop, and I think this is pretty cool. So might want to look into getting that. So I'm excited about those items. And so I'm going to put those aside because I want to put those away. Okay, so next is some of my favorite things. So a while ago, I had gotten 30% off gift card, and then they had some stuff on sale. So I bought some of my favorite things. So I got this, which is the Finishes and Textiles, which I thought would be really good for like wallpaper for rooms and for, shops and all that kind of stuff. Same with this one, which is their floor to ceiling. This was the free gift. I got these Birdie Brown alphabet and numbers. This these little reading bears. It's called, I can't remember what it's called. Bookworm bears and the dies. This hello die. These little doodle flowers, and then these edges, which I thought would be really cute. So I got that. And then from CC Designs, I got a couple of things. I got this one right here and this little guy right here. And then from Lowland Crafts, so we have our box of the month, which my box of the month got all like, I don't know what happened to it. It fell apart, the paperwork for it. So let me get this out. Also, this stuff is going to be used for a class they're going to be offering, which I have some more goodies from that too. So they do a quarterly box, and so I usually get it. It's much cheaper to buy the box. So in the box, we get this stencil. So this is the stencil we got. So we also get the paper pack that they have that comes out, and I forget what this one's called, but it's called Going Places, and it's a paper pack sampler. So we get it all. So yeah, we get this, what they call it, Scenic Circle cutting die. We got this little possum friend, and we got this headscarf from Marcy, and this car, little roadster car. And then we also got a little sidecar motorcycle. And then the free gift was a stop sign. And then I did an add-on for the dies for the little doggies. And so that was all La La Land Crafts in the quarterly box. And then I need to put those somewhere safe. I've got this, let's see. Oh yeah, this also came in the box too, the travel piggies. And so a lot of those guys are going to be used in the little travel album class that I signed up for. So I haven't even done like my last class that I purchased from them. So yeah, which I need to see what's on here too. Okay, so I had purchased a Wonderland album class, and I just have not had a chance to do that class. But luckily, I can do that at my own leisure. So the other things that I bought to go with that class include this VW and these little like road signs. This Best Buds Luca. The Flower Power Mercy. This globe die, compass and globe die. The words travel, the words adventure, these cute little I'll see you owls, and then it's going places, which I hope I don't have these guys. I feel like I might. These going places, the whole paper pad. So that's going to be used for a class I'm going to be doing. So, yeah. So I'll put all that together. So that'll all go together for that class. And then my kit of the month. So the kit of the month from La La Land Crafts. Again, I have not been able to use any of my stuff. I've just been not having time. But, so this shows you kind of what you get. So you get this little gardening girl Marcy. You get these little hamster guys. And then you get dies that make the garden tools, the veggies, the wheelbarrow, and the wooden box. So all of those goodies are here. So you get all of that to make all of those things. And stay tuned. I will be making things. I will be making lots of things because I'll be off soon. I won a prize. So I did the Kendra's sketches, and I won a $25 gift card to Gina K. So this is what I bought. I bought this Radiant Roses die set that goes with the Radiant Roses stencil. And then I also got these Radiant Roses flowers polyglaze foiling sheets. So you put your foil on there. And then I believe the dies cut this stuff out. So I got that. That was part of my prize. And then scrapbook.com. So let's see, scrapbook.com. So the free gifts for scrapbook.com was the Simple Stories boho sunshine paper and this die set. So it was a really good gift with purchase. So I don't even know if you had to purchase anything. This one maybe you had to purchase $20. I can't remember. Whatever it was a freaking deal. So there's that. I did get some more of these little foam squares. And then I got these arches nesting dies, which I've been wanting an arch nesting die. This one was really cheap. And so that way I don't have to buy the expensive ones, and I can still get the cool stamp sets I've seen that go with those. So that was scrapbook.com. Sometimes the gift is pretty amazing. So sometimes it's like whatever, but sometimes it's good. So I have a bunch of tailored expressions. So I have 2 free gifts in here. Actually, I ended up getting 3 of these happy birthdays, so they're going to go in a D-stash. This was a free gift. You spend $100. It's a gift with purchase. So this one does this giant happy and then all of these different words. Happy hello, happy everything, you make me happy, happy birthday, for happy for you. So it's adorable. I love it. I got a couple other ones. The other gift with purchase that I got is this one, and I'm loving the strawberries everywhere. So this one does a stencil to make strawberry background. And then you also get, you know, the little doohickeys to do up your strawberries. I'm sure they're going to come out with a die or something like that with this later. So that one's exciting. And then the other gift with purchase, depending on when you purchased stuff, they were, I think it was with $75. You also could get this, which was, let me open it. It's this one makes a little sundae, this one makes a little cupcake, this one makes a little cake. I'm not exactly sure how to use those little tiny guys, but that was a gift as well. And then some of the things that I got was I got this insider. So you can foil these, I believe, or you don't have to foil them. They can just be how they are. So they're like little inside things you can put inside your card. And then this one is a balloon stencil and die. And then here are these little minis that they've been doing, which are really cute. So you just stamp it one time, and then you can die cut all the little images at one time. So that's fun. This is a little gift box that you can make with a little bow. So you could do a little shaker with that. Buds and Blossoms. This goes with the stencil and die that we got in our Co-op and Create, which is now for sale in the regular shop. And then these are double-sided, what do you call those? Sticky sheets. This is just stems, which are great. So if any flower that you have that you want to do stems, you can do that. Because I got those roses, I could do that. And then the daisies. So I have the daisy stamp set, the daisy die, and the daisy stencil. And then we have the Hello Lovely stamp set and die. And then the dragonflies, which I got the die as well as the stencil and the stamp set. And then this makes a whole bunch of blossoms, which I've seen used all different ways, but there's a stencil that goes with it, which I believe I have somewhere, so I need to find that out. Oh, I got some more of these. These are these very strong tapes that you can use on your magnets for your bistie. And then here is a snarky birthday, which I wish I had found this earlier because I had a friend that is super loving of snarky, so she's friend of mine from work. So, and then the die is this flower. So these have become very in demand. These little like freebie ones. So anyway, that is my haul. It's a big one. Thank you for watching. This is Sandy Cream with the Heart.